What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of One Foot Production. Once again with Jesse Hunter on guitar. What's going on there, brother? Welcome back again. Now, what are we doing here today? Well, usually we do just a single pedal review, but today we're actually going to do a review of two pedals at a time. We're going to review the Joyo Time Magic and the Future Chorus, both at the same time, basically because, well, Jesse said so. He said those two pedals sound good together. Let's do them together. So with that said, though, let's just we'll start playing on this and you guys can hear the sound. Now, we're still using that same orange Tiny Terror amp. We're still using that same cab, the Hughes & Kettner, that single 12-inch speaker inside that we talked about, the Vintage 30. Let's see, you're supposed to enter the drive chain. We're using a Mac. We're using, once again, that's right, we're using the iRig Pro. So, Star, thank you very much. Don't want to forget anybody. So, with that said, though, let's jump in and let's just let Jesse play and check out how well these two pedals actually complement each other and sound awesome. So, have at it there, guitar slinger man. All right, folks, so there you guys can hear it. The Time Magic and Future Chorus sound absolutely amazing together. Jesse took it through a bunch of different steps. We changed the video up a little bit different than we normally do, but we hope you guys like this style as well. So the reason I really got into Joyo originally is because these Iron Man series pedals are really tough and durable, and they're really priced really good. You can pick up online for about 60 bucks. That's really good considering that they compete with a lot of the other pedals out there that are kind of boutique style. Like, what do you think about playing around with these things?
I think they're great. They're really small, compact, and they sound great for the quality. You can put them on any, I think they'll fit on any pedal board. You know, like if you're looking for some pedals, you don't have a lot of room, you want to throw some extra like choruses, delays, and they got everything actually. Joyo got everything, so they fit perfect. And they fit really nice actually.
You want to see even cooler? Hey Jesus, hand me that pedal board over there. Hold on, folks, check this out. Joyo actually sent us a pedal board.
Nice.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a pedal board.
This thing?
Yeah, that's it. That bar be the one. So check this out. We have got a pedal board right here, and we are going to build our very own Joyo pedals, starting off with, you know, the pedals that we have here. We have a few more to do. Now, I know normally we do one pedal at a time, but this time we did two because, you know, they sound really good together. Now, very, very sturdy. Your power supply unit mounts under here. It has a strap that you can strap onto there. It comes with all the gear for mounting it and everything. This thing's like $100. This is awesome pedal board construction. I feel durable as shit, dude.
Nice, I like it. It's black too, like.
As Samuel Jackson would say, you could kill a motherfucker with this thing. No, but that's it, folks. So thank you, Joyo. Jess, thanks a lot for being here, man. We always appreciate you being here on the channel. If you guys missed anything, you guys interested in buying these pedals, interested in getting the orange amp and that kind of stuff, we'll have links down below where you guys can get it through Amazon. Yes, buying through Amazon, we make a little money, but it actually helps support the channel. So if you love us, you want to support the channel, hey, you're going to buy from somewhere, why not buy it through them? And also get down and give us a little bit of cash so we can keep bringing quality videos to you. I'm who? Who am I? Oh, I'm the guy from One Foot Productions.
Yeah.
I almost forgot who I was for a second there because the dog was over licking on my knee and I was like, what's going on here? But I'm Eric. You've been watching One Foot Production. Buddy the dog here on the ground. Jesus Bueno behind the camera. Peace out. Thank you, Joy. We will see you guys back here for more videos very soon.